how to use your iPhone as a tape measure and ruler. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Did you know your iPhone can work like a tape measure with this app known as Measure? It is a default app in iPhone, but you cannot find it. Then you can go to your app store, search for it, and easily download it. Now you just need to hit open, and then you'll need to point your camera at the object that you want to measure. You can see the plus icon. You just need to tap on it to mark a starting point, and then you just need to move your camera slowly. It will start measuring, as you can see. So it shows that the distance from where I started to where I ended is 7 centimeters. So like this, it will show the measurement instantly. There you go, it's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.